Are you kidding me? Thank you. Wow. That scared me for a minute. Come on, get it. Rock it. You can do it, Peter. Nice. Triple pop, pretty cool. That was like your third spin in, right? Come on, don't be done. Thank you. Rocket. Oh, you fill one zone finally. Okay.
Which one? Oh, the blue.
The 4.
We need one more to get the next row.
I know, and there's some good stuff up there too. So, come on, get it. Yes. Nice. I like that it raises the ones that are already sealed in with the zone. Like,
Yeah, this is a pretty cool game.
yeah. Zone has been sealed. Which one now?
The green one.
Oh, okay. I didn't realize it tells you,
We need a train.
right? Train. She got a train over there. That's what we want, that train.
We need 4 more to get the top.
That'd be nice. 1, 2. Ooh, you only need one more, babe. This is a good one. But can I pick them or what? Come on. One more. Get that top row. Top gate. Yes. How'd that happen?
I don't know.
It vibrated off.
Right.
Did it break?
No.
Okay, you're okay?
Yeah.
That was good luck. It must have vibrated off. That's funny.
Nice, another 3 times.
Yep. This is gonna be a good one. It's over $100, I'm sure. A couple hundred. Come on, don't be done. Come on, get it. Ooh, rocket. Ooh, you got one. Yay! It is vibration. Train, give us a train. Just give us everything. Come on, anything. Nice.
Oh, I did see a train.
Right? Possible. Yes, now there's zone lock. Nice. I'm glad that it gave it to a zone that's locked. I'm surprised. I saw a miner. Come on, train. Wow, babe.
Oh, I thought I saw one that was $100. Okay.
No, I can't. I'll hold this, you play it. Oh, come on. Don't be done. Surprise us. Rock it. Rock it. That's it. Okay. And these are all 2 cents. This is good. 682 just for the top.